Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your science class now. Students, in continuation of the chapter 14, Safety Habits and First Aid. Today we will practice exercises that is given back of the chapter. So you turn on page number 66. Open your book, science book, and turn to page number 66. Okay, there you will write today's date 19/1/21 classwork. Have you written? First we'll write the date and classwork. Okay, beside exercise. So here exercises are given. Now start practicing exercises. A. Pick the correct answers. MCQ. We cross the road when the pedestrian traffic light is. Options are red, green, yellow. You have to tick the correct option. The correct option is green. So put a tick mark on green. See, one circle is given beside green. There you have to put a tick mark. Come on to 2. We should not play with. Options are A. Toys, B. Balls, C. Blades. Toys and balls are to play, but blades, no, you should not touch the blade. Don't play with blades. Okay, so according to the question, the correct answer is blade. C. Put a tick mark on the circle. 3. When you are in a bus, you should. Options are A. Sit quietly, B. Jump around, C. Talk to the driver. No, we should not talk to the driver while we are in bus, we are traveling in bus. Jump around, never. Don't do like this. A. Sit quietly. Yes, sit quietly is the correct option. Put a tick mark on the circle beside sit quietly. Okay, so this is over. Now come on to B. See, you can see 4 pictures are given and you have to tick the activity we must do and cross what we must not do. So see the picture, first one, children are standing in the queue in front of bus. Number 2 is a student jumping over the bench. Very bad, dangerous also. And one child wants to touch the electric appliance. That is also not correct. And see, the 4th picture is a girl. She is making some activity work using scissor, but there is no elder. You must do the activity using the scissor, but take help of your elder. Take help of your parents. Take help of your elder, any elder. Okay, an elder. So, students, you have to take the first one. The first one is only the correct, and that means that is children standing in front of the bus in queue. This is good habit. Okay, and safety rule, they are following the safety rule. The students, or you can say children, following the safety rules in the first picture, and picture second, third, fourth, no, they are not following the safety rule. Okay, so put a tick mark on first and second, third, fourth picture. Put a cut mark, cross mark. Come on to C. Complete the sentence with the help of the word given below. First, you read the words: firecrackers, zebra crossing, parents. 1. We must cross the road at dash. We must cross the road at zebra crossing. You should know the spellings also. When we will start revision, we will learn spelling also. You have to learn spelling also. Okay. Number 2. We should not play with firecrackers. We should not play with dash. What you will fill here? You have to fill firecrackers. Okay. Third one is, when we get hurt, we must tell our dash or teachers. We must tell our parents or teacher. When we get hurt, we must tell our parents or teachers. Okay? So you have complete up to this. These exercises you have to complete in your textbook only, right? Okay. Now D. Answer the following questions. 1. Write any 3 safety rules while. Okay, for this today we will complete this also. Up to 1 we will do. 3 questions are, sub questions are there. So you have to memorize this. Write any 3 safety rules while traveling in a bus. So 3 safety rules are: we must stand in a queue at the bus stop. The second one is, we must not lean out of the window of the moving bus. Number 3, do not get in or out of a moving bus or any vehicle. Okay, number 2, that is at home. How you will prevent yourself by following safety rules in at home? How? So these are three safety rules. 1. We must not play with sharp things. We must not play with sharp things. Number 2. We must not touch electric appliance. We must not use electric appliance. And at home, number 3 is, we must not leave our toys on the floor. This is also important. We must not leave our toys on the floor. After playing, you will keep the toys in its place. Okay? Playing is not bad thing. You play with toys in your room, on the floor or on the bed, whatever you feel good. But after playing, you should place these toys in its place. Okay, so you will keep the toys in its place after playing. So this is called maintaining safety rules, or you are following safety rules. Okay, so 3 points are given. And number C, on the road. On the road, three safety rules are, you must follow that. We should always walk on the footpath. We should always walk on the footpath. Second one is, we must cross the road at the zebra crossing. We must cross the road at zebra crossing. Number 3, we must not run or play on the road. We must not run or play on the road. These are the safety measures you have to obey and follow. So students, this is what for today. Question number D, 1 to A, B, C that you have to write in your classwork notebook. Okay, read and write and memorize also. These are the long questions. This may become in the long questions, or short questions. I can give two safety measures that we are obeying in the school, at home, in the playground, or traveling in the bus. Okay, so short question I can ask from here also. So students, the class ends here. Complete it. Today's work is to complete exercises in the book only, and question D1 you have to write in your classwork notebook. Okay students, so class ends here. Good day students.